Nathan was great. He actually brought up Startup Bahrain weekend to life. I feel like he's the heart of the event. He was very informative, direct, and entertaining as well.
My name is Nathan Mins, and I'm the facilitator for Techstars Startup Bahrain weekend. The energy in this room is just incredible. It is incredible here. I just absolutely love it. We have 28 startups this weekend in Bahrain. To see them go from purely an idea into a fully formed company in just about 48 hours, it's really incredible to watch.
Facilitated the Startup Weekend in North America, Europe, and down here.
He has so much energy. I wish I could borrow some of that energy during the pitch. He was just so much fun. He made all the processes really smooth. He was super helpful, very friendly, very good speaker, very good facilitator.
One thing we just showed us, we can choose the energy level we bring into a space. Before starting the weekend, I had no idea how to start a company. I made mentors, and I made friends that have lasted me all the way to where I am now.
He was probably the best spirit to be around with, especially in this pressurous time. You know, it's very pressuring, and it's very nice to have someone like Nathan by your side.